20,341 Spitfires were built in 22 different variants, and the aircraft remained in production for 12 years. The Spitfire's prototype maiden flight took place on the 5th of March 1936, and the Mark I Spitfire entered service in August 1938. The Hawker Hurricane is the unsung hero of the Battle of Britain. The legendary Hawker Hurricane was born of the famous Hawker design stable and was the creation of the great Sydney Cam in response to the RAF's urgent requirement for a low-wing monoplane fighter to balance the threat from Nazi Germany and its rearmament during the 1930s. Currently, there are only 12